CPIM has decided that its Politburo member and former Chief Minister, Comrade Pinarayi Vijayan, would be the leader of its legislature party and therefore the leader of the opposition. People of Kerala are very much relieved that finally, with lot of exercises and the Congress leaders and UDF leaders flying from Trivandrum to Delhi and back and again to Delhi and back. Finally, unlike in the drama of Samuel Bucket, which is very famous, Waiting for Godot, finally they could take a decision. And Mr. V.D. Satheeshan has been chosen as the leader of the Congress legislature party and therefore the prospective Chief Minister of Kerala. So I wish my friend Mr. V.D. Satheeshan every success in his endeavour.